Hello, everyone. This is Minchcode. Today we recommend you a desktop bar, the Barcode Scanner, so you can say goodbye to the hands and feet. Easy to do everything. It uses advanced the scanning technology to easily recognize both paper barcodes and barcodes on your phone screen. Moreover, it is USB interface, plug and play. No need to install driver, super convenient. Let's do it practically, with just a gentle release and a drop sound. The scan information will be automatically entered into your computer. Whether it's a text box, a form, or other software. It's all perfectly compatible. No more manual input. This barcode scanner is suitable for various scenarios. If you are a small retail store owner, it can help you quickly cashier, improve. If you are a warehouse manager, it can help you quickly inventory. If you are a logistics staff, it can help you quickly sort packages, save.